here are the mods for today. We're gonna switch out the ambers for these clear ones. We're gonna also install new high beams and just new daytime lights. And we're gonna make my headlights look good because they look like dookie water right now. And then we also have the side markers that we might clear out or change out too. And I think that's it. Ha! This is what it's from, see?
There you go.
See?
That's a side marker and a half.
I knew it.
I knew it.
I knew it.
There you go. Found him. There you go. There you go. All you had to do was freaking not be it.
It's a bumper! Alright, we got it off.
Alright guys, we got it.
Alright guys, we got it off. Now we're gonna get that job. We get that job. Alright, gotta take off the headlights. I think there's only 2 bolts. One here, and I think there's one somewhere back there. And then we're gonna pull out all the light bulbs, just 2. And then we're gonna go whipping up in the kitchen, baby. Hopefully this is the last bolt.
Let's try it.
Yank that hoe.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting.
I know you kind of have to slide it in properly, so you probably have to take it out the same kind of way.
That's not the move, that's not the move, that's not the move. A little wedged.
You need my help?
I don't. I need to go back. Go back in there. Oh. Oh. Why doesn't it just come out?
Oh.
The whole freaking fender's lifting?
Well, this car wasn't an accident, even though it's clean title. Alright, so we got the headlight off. It is very, very dirty in there.
Someone put like grease on it, like maybe dielectric grease. Or maybe.
Is electric grease a thing?
Dielectric grease.
I didn't know that. But I have to go put my child to bed, so oh, can you turn off? There you go. Or just take it off. So I'm gonna go put my child to bed, and Philly's gonna work on the next one. We'll get this one off. All right, we got the headlights out.
Stripped.
Philip got them out. Kind of cleaned them down a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Now we're gonna finagle them into the oven. So let's do that. Go ahead and cook these up for 15 minutes. 20 minutes actually. See you in 20.
When you get out of your shot.
You're not in it. more time.
Huh?
I feel like it's gonna need more time.
Oh no, I think it'll be good. Get probably a screwdriver. Or... You might need something.
We're gonna put him back in. Round 2.
Yep. Come on. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
One headlight off. Let's get the next one off.
Get game.
Headlight 2 done. Okay, we got the lights off. Cooked it for about probably 25 minutes, 200 degrees. We're taking off the little housing that holds the amber light, which is just 4 Phillips screws. And it's going to be that right there. We pulled out the old one, and now there's the new one. It's all shiny and beautiful. So we're going to install it on and do the same thing on both sides. Alright, we're gonna do install right now. Can you do it by yourself or no?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out this orientation.
So we're gonna repeat this process on the other side, and then we'll show you the finished product afterwards. Alright, we reheated the lights back up, and we're gonna see if we can stick them on.
Can you get the from the garage the channel locks, like the?
So we put all the lights back in. Now we're gonna install them back on the car, and we'll just show you what it looks like afterwards. So we got the lights. They're all done. Technically, the white part is in. I'm gonna show it later, but we can't finish because the H1 bulbs that I got to replace my high beams are apparently for fog lights only, so they don't come with the right, it's called a reflective adapter plate that you need to put them back onto the car. So I ordered them. Hopefully they'll be here overnight from Amazon. It said overnight shipping, so that'd be dope. So we're gonna come back tomorrow, put them on, clean up the headlights, go see what it looks like. So see you tomorrow. All right. Came to this parking garage in downtown Roseville. Just gonna get some B-roll of the nice lights that we switched out. Okay, if you guys remember in the video of the cruise, there was a super loud rattle. I mean, it basically takes over the entire car noise. I'll post it over this. You will not believe what this is. This is the craziest thing ever. It sounds like a mechanical issue, right? I mean, it's a terrible rattle. It sounds absolutely terrible. But my boy Dennis came over. We're doing some research, we're doing some driving, we're like, hey, what could this be? We go, for the first time ever, I think that I've owned this car, I have it up on 4 jack stands, not just 2. We're looking, we look around the trans, we look around the drive shaft, we look at everything. Nothing makes sense why it would make that noise. So Dennis is like, dude, whatever, just quickly Google something. Shout out S2KI forums, one guy posted a video, I'll link it below too, same exact noise that I've had. And interestingly enough, he says the higher I go in RPM, the worse the noise gets, which is literally exactly what you see in that video. Some dude's like, oh yeah, I know what that is. Your oil cap popped off your engine and dropped into the trans tunnel. And we're like, there's no way. That makes no sense. There's absolutely no way. Lo and behold, we look into the trans tunnel. Okay, I'll highlight it, but it's literally right down there. You can see it. So the freaking engine oil cap fell down there into the trans tunnel. And it's been rattling there for like 2 years. I hate cars. I absolutely hate cars. I don't know if I've said this before. I am mechanically declined. My friends like Dennis and my buddy Philip are mechanically inclined. All I'm good at is driving a car. Fixing it, count me out, bro. Anyways, so now we're gonna have to find a way to get it out because it's super difficult. The space to get it out is like this thick and the oil cap is like this thick. So, love these car adventures.
No shot.
This freaking mother trucker, dude. I love you.
I got you.